Okay. Hello. I'm back again with another shot with me video. Look at this. This is so cool. The color combo is very good. Let me come close. See all the beads on this. Interesting for 19.99 in size medium. I love the V neckline. Good. Welcome to my channel where quality is attainable. Let's quickly jump in. We are already in, all right. This is interesting for 16.99. Hope you're doing good. Yeah, today I will show you more of gifts in the store because this is the season. Yeah, I want to show you the interesting gifts in the store. This is the time to buy good gifts for your loved ones. This one is $29.99. Good. Perfect for next season. And here we have this one button blazer in color white for $16.99. Okay. Yeah, lots of interesting jackets, sweaters in the store. Look what we got here. In case you're looking for something like this, go to Burlington. This is $19.99. All right, and here we have another one. Look what we got here. Isn't this giving? This is so interesting. The quality speaks so loud for $24.99. Okay. All right, here. Look what we have. This sleeveless sweater for $8.99 in size large. And we have this. I always see this every, you know, coat seasons by Tommy. Interesting turtleneck for $24.99. And here we have this hoodie one. It's kind of, I don't know, stand. Yeah, let me show you something different. Here is a very simple sweater. Let's check out the price. Store price on this one is $10.99 in size large. This is skirt, polka dot skirt. I don't know what it's doing here. Flare skirt. And this one is $10.99. Let me take you to gift section as I promised. Cause look what we got here. Here we have this 5-piece ultimate bed set. Alright, and here this one is $12.99. And here we have this body care collection. Here you get shower gel, body scrub, bed salts, body lotion for $11.99. Good. Here is by Lucky Brand. Socks. I think this is stockings. Yeah. Stockings for $9.99. Interesting. More gift sets. And here we are looking at this one by BB. Alright. Yeah. $9.99. With $10 you will get designers gifts. You'll get designers gifts for your loved ones. This is Nourishing Hand Cream 7-piece collection. Okay, yeah, this one is just $5.99. Tell me this is not interesting. This is so good, all right? Up here we have this oil, body oil sets. And this one is $9.99. Up here, more gifts by baby. Here we have these body butter sets. $4.99. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? That's why I want to bring you here. Go to any Burlington near you. Trust me, with even $5, you will get someone a wow gift, $5.99. Designers gifts for less. Look at this one. Here is easy. It's here for you. Write the name of the person you want to give this to and write your own name. It's already there for you, and this is just $5.99. Come on, go to any Burlington near me. Go to any Burlington near you and thank me later. This is $9.99 by Juicy Culture. And here we have interesting hand creams. All right, hand soap, dish soap. They are all in one for $7.99. Here we have another one. Okay. Yeah, hand soap for $6.99. Behind me, more gifts for the holiday. All right, let's see what they have here. This one. Okay, the price is not on that one, but trust me, it's interesting. Here we have exfoliating body scrub. Okay, 11-piece body pamper. All right, yeah, and this very interesting as well. Yeah, this is $26.99. I think I've seen this before. No, okay, very good. And here we have this one here by BB. Interesting sets. And this is $16.99. Alright, you get different types of gift sets, different sizes. This is interesting luxury set, 6-piece. Here you get this one for $16.99. Behind more gift sets. Look what we got here. Isn't this cool? This is by Ella Lip Oil Collection. Okay, and this is just $12.99. And here we have another one. Okay, good packaging. Alright, yeah, look what we got here. 3-piece eye essential for $7.99. God, what are we talking about? Burlington is the place, trust me. Here we have this one sugar scrub set. Alright, this is $6.99. Alright, we need to look good. Look at this one, hand cream set for $5.99. Another set. Look. Alright, for $19.99 you get everything in one here. Here we have another one. I love that. Okay, interesting. Go to any Burlington near you. Thank me later. Here we have another set. You get hand cream, cozy fluffy stockings. Yeah, fluffy socks, hand cream mug. Let's see, the packaging is very good for $9.99. Just $10. You're good to go. Up here, more sets by Baby. All right, here we have, look at that, interesting. This is $9.99. Yeah, this is good body. Look at that. You get body butter, body scrub, body oil, hair. $9.99, just $10. What are we talking about? Okay. And let's see more gifts. This one is by CK for $39.99. DKNY. These are perfumes, colognes. Yeah, Store price for this is $29.99. And here we have this one for $19.99. Okay. Interesting colognes. This one is $29.99. Let me see. This looks like Versace. Yeah. $29.99. You're good. Kevin Klein. All right. $39.99. All right. They also have Ferragamo up here. Different types of designers for less. All right. I'll end this video here. If you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching. And until next time. Bye for now.